Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Then go into Background Apps. In order to do that using Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Now just hold your app and click on this icon with the rectangles. Then tap on Home button and click on any other app, in my case Gallery. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!